Today, I'll show you how to quickly create a phone number in Twilio. This is perfect whether you're launching a business line or testing a new app. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Twilio Console. If you are new to Twilio, make sure you sign up and verify your email before moving forward. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the sidebar and open the phone numbers section. From there, select by a number. You'll now see search filters that let you choose exactly what kind of number you want. First, pick the country, whether you need a number in the United States or anywhere else in the world. Then choose the capabilities you require, such as voice, SMS, MMS, or a mix of all three. If you need something very specific, like a certain area code or prefix, you can use the advanced search filters to narrow things down. Once your filters are set, select Search to view available phone numbers. Browse through the list and pick one that fits your needs. When you're ready, click Buy this number. Twilio will take you through a quick purchase process and the number becomes active immediately after. Now that you own the number, let's configure how it works. Return to active numbers and click on the phone number you just purchased. You'll see options for voice settings and messaging settings. For voice, you can connect incoming calls to a webhook, a Twilio function, or even a studio flow. For messaging, you can choose how text messages are routed into your app or workflow. And that's it. Your Twilio phone number is set up and ready to communicate. Whether you're building a service hotline, a customer support channel, or a smart automation system, you're all set to start receiving calls and messages. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy Twilio tutorials. See you in the next one.